Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today's plant is what I'll call the Squill plant. That's the one name that I've been able to isolate. Uh, Earlier I was calling the Violacea, whatever it is. That was back in 2020, but upon looking at it now, I made a reference to it, and it was a real long name, something Violac, but the name Squill stood out. The reason I was able to pinpoint it was the larger version of the Squill plant, and you can see by the unusual spotting on the leaves. This is what makes it stand out. This is what's called a Squill plant. But it had like 5 names in there, and every time I do a Google search, I come back with something strange because Google does something on the search feature which drives me crazy, and I said, hold off doing any further searches on Google because Google's to me a piece of crap. But I'm trying to find a plant dictionary. There's a lot of them out there, but most of them, I haven't found one that makes me happy. I've been doing this for like 50 years, so I found one at one time, but now it's gone. Just like the hereditary name thing is gone too. Well, we won't talk about that, but anyway, back to the Squill plant. What I'm doing is I'm going through my garden, taking pictures and videos of all the plants that I have in the garden. As you can see, we got an extensive collection of goodies out there. In this section, I've literally got over 100-something different plants, but I'm trying to guess the scientific name and the common name for the plants that are quite common and quite scientific. I am searching for it, and I will eventually find most of them, or close to what I'm going to find. So in the meantime, this is the Squill plant. I'm going to repot it because, as you can see, it looks like happy little puppy in there, and it's starting to grow, just like I did the other plant the other day. I separated the Chinese money plant. I did my first video. Now this is the Squill plant. This is my second video. So what we're doing is, like I said, scientific name, common name. This one has out in like a quasi-sunny area, and it seems to be happy doing what it was. And as you can get a little close, you can see there's a lot of new growth in there. So time to maybe put it into a larger pot, thin out the soil a little bit. That one main plant looks happy as a pig in poo. So we're just going to keep going through there, and we'll get back to you. But please like the video. Any comments, share any information on the Squill plant, we're all ears, and I'll share it on the video.